Hi guys, this is our video today guys. You follow me. What is in my front guys? You have seen it. If you have seen it guys, this is in Visayan term pagatpat. Pagatpat or sweet scented mangrove apple. In Visayan term is known as pagatpat in the Philippines. The scientific name of pagatpat or sweet scented apple is known as Sonveracia alba. And the most common name in the Philippines is known as Blatia pagatpat or nid, Ilocaban, Chirasya, Leucantia montrus. This mangrove apple in scientific name Soneracia mosabicensis Kotsaruts. So this is for today's video guys. Pagatpat or sweet scented mangrove apple. Thank you guys for following our video.